Alright, we have a convoy running right now. We have Sam up there in the tractor. I'm here in his truck. And then we got two of the nephews in a truck behind me. We are going to go set up the hog trap. So, I got the hog trap back there. And they're gonna go set up the pen today, so hopefully we will catch something. I think it's getting out of control because one of the nephews was driving home last night and saw one out in the middle of the road last night and then ran it up into the property. So we gotta get this under control. Are you strong enough?
Y'all don't worry about the talk going out. You're doing a great job. I don't know. I don't know what to do here. Trying to catch it, but we catch all of this. Put it right there on that point. Yeah. You can do it right there, honestly. I don't know, you're gonna leave that at least built up on there. Get a shovel to get down on that side. Right there. Random time, this fucker's gonna sit in there.
Okay, who's gonna be the test dummy and crawl through it? Me!
I was just looking at it to see where we need to go with it. Then we'll put the last one in last. When I get this. Will we reach that tree? Nah, we need one more.
Having fun?
Can I pull it down?
Alright.
Nice.
Do the same on both sides on this one, too.
Oh, okay. Like the other one. Last time I did it. Come on.
Get this one, dude. Don't worry about that side.
Wait. Wait. Okay.
This post is huge on these. This is not made for this post.
No, it's not. It's really not.
The cold wind is coming in. I'm about to freeze.
Hold me!
No, oh my gosh.
I'm warm.
Oh, a
I
little bit.
need a blanket.
Oh, sweet boy.
It's much nicer.
Feel your bone right there.
Oh, you love your mama. You love your mama. All right, they are putting out the corn feed right now. Oh, there's all the corn. Getting the hogs ready for their new spot.
Alright, y'all. Y'all ain't gonna get sick and play the trap. We got hungry people waiting on us.
And it's getting dark.
We got the corn out. We got it baited. Of course,
And you have a frozen wife.
we'll be back. Okay. We hadn't videoed in a day or so because it got cold the other night when we was all down here getting our trap, trying to put our trap together, and it just got so cold we finally just had to quit, go in the house. So we went down yesterday and we knocked that booger out, and now we are we're gonna run down there and put out some pig punch, see if we can get them taken care of. We're gonna try this stuff out right here, See if we can get a little pig punch going. Oh, you can show them the hog trap too.
Not big.
What's the smell like?
Let me smell.
Is that?
Here's, hold it.
Oh,
Hey,
you want to
That
whip?
smells like sour corn right there.
let me smell.
Man alive. What you need is get that in there. We need a southerly wind. Blow it, kind of push it that way.
All right, people, here's what we got. We got the first 2 pigs in the trap right now.
Yeah, but expired.
That is right.
Papa,
God, this is awful.
no. It's really bad.
He's coating that corn over with that rotted doo-doo stuff.
That looks like
Oh, it
bone.
does look like sewer don't
It does.
No.
It does.
I think we can let them
That makes the pig die.
Dude, that's a strong right
When they eat it, it makes the pig die.
I'm just throw up.
It looks like.
It's like mud.
Oh yeah. That'll get them in there right there.
Hey Daddy, I saw some bone legs.
You did?
I saw some bones.
I think I put them down.
Hey. Hey.
That's a deer for sure, guys.
What are we trying to trap in here?
A hog.
Some hogs, that's right.
Hey, look! I see a deer leg! A deer leg!
Oh yeah?
Some deer leg over here! A deer leg! I saw a deer leg.
What is it?
I saw deer bones.
Yep.